Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a photo on a Mac. We'll look at two different scenarios for cropping an image. The first is when your photo is in Finder, and the second is when it's in the Photos app. Let's start with the first scenario, cropping a photo directly from Finder. You'll want to open that image using the Preview app. Just right-click, select Open With, and then choose Preview. This is a built-in app on Mac OS, so you don't need to install anything extra. Once your photo is open in Preview, let's bring up the Markup tool. If it's hidden, expand your Preview window, then click on the pen icon to Show Markup Toolbar. Next, click on the Selection tool icon and choose Rectangular Selection. The reason we use this one is that it selects an area of your photo in a rectangular aspect ratio. If you were to use other tools like the elliptical or lasso selection, your resulting image would be saved in a PNG format. But for basic cropping, rectangular selection is exactly what we want. After selecting this tool, move your mouse over the image, click, hold, and drag to select an area. Once you have a selection you like, you can easily adjust the edges if you need to. Now, you'll see a crop icon appear on the Markup toolbar. When you click this icon, the image will immediately crop to the area you just selected. And that's it. The photo automatically saves. You can just close the Preview app and you'll see your newly cropped image. Alright, let's move on to the second scenario, cropping an image inside the Photos app. To do this on your Mac, simply double-click the photo to open it. Then click the Edit button located in the top right corner of the window. Next, switch over to the Crop tab. Just like before, use your mouse to click, hold, and drag to select your crop area. Notice on the right side there are several common aspect ratios preset for you. You can just click on those if you need a specific size. Or, if you want complete freedom, just choose Freeform and drag the corners however you like. Once you're happy with the selection, hit Done. Your image is now cropped exactly how you want it. So, those are two easy ways to crop a photo on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.